guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do the false shuffle. Okay, it's really a false shuffle that you can do instead of the dynamo shuffle. It comes in handy when doing a lot of my magic. So if you're subscribed, you would know that. If you're not, well, go ahead and subscribe, and then I'll show you how to do this first. Take the top card, 9 of hearts. Okay, so then to do this, it looks like a dynamo shuffle, but really it's not the dynamo shuffle. It's really false shuffle. The 9 of hearts was still on top. So let's begin. I'll show you how to do this trick. So you take the top card, 4 of hearts. Okay, suppose you take this pointer finger and hold it like this. Yes. Then break this point and take this end. Make it here. Okay. So if you don't get that, I'll show you again. V shape, N shape, and then break this. Then kind of interlock it in between this. Then this part only comes out. Fan it like this. Then keep the break while you're fanning. Keep a break here, and then without out of silicone. So you're gonna need a lot of practice for this. Go back and look at this video, and you can download this video. Yeah, so that's all. That's what I'm going to show you how to do today. If you don't know this, if you don't get it, just comment below. Feel free to comment. And if you guys have any other type of magic you would like me to do, please comment in the box below. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.